Hi guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today guys, we're going to be making some lemon strudel muffins. So you're going to need 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, sour cream, 1 cup of oil, a 1/3 cup of lemon juice, some salt, some baking powder, and the zest of 2 lemons and the juice from them. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our sugar. I have 2 cups of sugar into our bowl. And we're going to zest the lemon right in there. Just like so. Don't get the white part in here, but just zest the lemon into the muffin. I mean, into the sugar. The zest of the lemon into the sugar. And if you don't have one of these, like these microplanes, they do have, like, if you got a box grater, you can use that, because they have, like, the zest part on there too, as well. And zest this thing up good, yeah. I done zest it up real good. Oh. That's all lemon peel. Oh, look. Got that thing real good. Move on to the next lemon. That's done. So I'm going to just keep zesting this up until I'm finished. Now I'll come back and show you what I'm going to do next. Alright, so now I'm going to mix the lemon into the sugar. Like so. And just keep mixing it so it's all combined into the sugar. And then the sugar, so all the oils and all the stuff is going to go right into the sugar. And the sugar going to taste like lemon. See how that's all combined now. Now you could quicken this and use a food processor and just blend it in with it. So why break out more tools and stuff in between? You can just stir it in for a little while until it comes completely combined and the sugar change colors. That way, that's when you know that it's all combined. Now, let's add our eggs. 2 eggs. 1, 2. And we're going to mix this in. Alright, that's mixed in. So now let's juice our lemon. The juice, 2 lemons in here. Oh no, this lemon pretty juicy. We might only use 1 lemon. zest is pretty juicy. We're only gonna use one. All this mixed in. Now we're gonna add our cup of vegetable oil. Any kind of neutral oil that you have. 1 cup will do. And 1 cup of sour cream. Mix that in. Now, if you don't want to use oil, you can use a whole cup of some melted butter. You want a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Baking powder. You want 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 and 2. Now, I'm going to slowly add our flour as we mix. And that was 2 cups of flour. And just slowly mix this in without over mixing. Now, I just need to add 2 more things and we're all done. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is pure vanilla extract. There you go. Alright, so let's start getting our muffins. Alright, so let's make the strudel part. So you're gonna need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 stick of some butter. And you just mix it in till it gets all nice and crumbly. Mix it in with your fork. Get it all nice and crumbly. You can just get it. And that way you can just crumble this right on top. This is your strudel. How easy that was to make. You can even add some lemon. Give it a little lemon flavor. Just like so. Alright, so now this is done.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Now this is done, so let's go ahead and load up those muffin pans. So all 12 of these are filled. Absolutely amazing. We'll get these into the oven. Come back and give them a taste. Alright, so these are the beautiful muffins. Look at this. I like this one right here. So pretty. Look at this. They are done. Fresh out of the oven. We're going to move that to the side. Still hot. I got my Shelly's homemade. Alright. It's nice and hot. Yeah. It's beautiful. So hot. So hot, so hot, so hot. So they real hot. So I'm just gonna, they nice and fluffy, soft, pillowy. Look at the crumb on that. Absolutely they are. They got a nice lemon flavor. Nice strong lemon flavor too. You can taste it. Oh, these muffins are heaven. Look at that. Put a little butter on here. You, okay. They're real good. Got the right amount of sweetness. So soft. Just a slight crunch texture from the strudel. Yes, guys, try this recipe out. You will not be disappointed. Guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.